Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. With this video I want to show you how to create a new project and how to use the TIA portal Siemens to create a new project. It's the beginning video. And English language is not my normal language. But I'm trying to use English just for this video. So how we create a new project? That is the TIA portal. We need to create a new project. We have to choose the name of project, the path where we want to save the file, the version of the TIA portal. I'm using the 16 version. This is the name of the author. Okay, comment if you want. Now choose create. Is creating the project. Now we have to choose our device. The first thing is to configure the device. Show all device, but we haven't no one device at the moment. We have to add a new one. And now we have to choose the controllers are the PLC, HMI, are touch screen. Depend on your PC PLC. So mine is a Siemens S7. Choose the CPU. I have this one. PLC CPU 1214 DC has three different model. That's my model. Okay. Another important thing is the right version. This is mine. And then the final choose. Now we can see our model, our PLC. Okay. If we want to know the properties of the PLC, we can click with the right button on mouse and then choose properties. That is about the Ethernet addresses, IP address, subnet mask, and the number of the digital inputs. We have 14 channels, 14 inputs from channel 0 to channel 13. The input filters are 6.4 milliseconds, and PLC has 10 output channels, 2 analog inputs, channel high 0, channel high 1, but it doesn't have the analog output. High speed counter, possibility to have 6 output channels. We have to choose general function, initial value, and hardware input, and many other function. So okay, if I set click, we have the Profinet interface again. I can see the Profinet interface again. Now if I want to program the PLC, program block main is the mainly block of the program. It's not important the label, the name main. You can change the name. It's important the whole object block 1. Main is only the name of the block. You can change the name, but the block remains the same. Now we can start to program our PLC. A very simple program. I take I give a name, and these inputs command the output in my PLC. The label at the moment are tag 1 and tag 2. I can change the name of the label. Click on with the right and rename tag. Instead to tag, I can see start program, change, rename tag. Okay, start my motor. I don't have a motor. It's only an example. Now, if I wanted to move the program from my PC to my PLC, I needed to compile before and then download to device. But I can jump one of this step and use download the device, because before to download it compiled the program. It's not a very good compilation. I like a more music compilation. So we have the communication from this address from my PC. I have to looking for the device. So type of interface is PNE Ethernet. That is my controller PC interface. Start to search the communication, the IP address of my PLC. Usually the address of the PLC, Siemens PLC, is always the same. Default IP address are always the same for the Siemens products. 192.168.0.1 is the same of the PC. So if I want to load, I want to assign a different address, not to my PLC, but to my computer. We want to add the IP address. Okay, yes. I don't want to fight against the PLs, against the PC. I obey. Do you want? Yes, yes, I want. An additional IP address was added. It was added in the interface. Oh yes, it's good for me. You work, I look at you. Oh, it's compiling configuration. Compiling main before, and then the overwrite all. Okay, yes. Load. No action, but because the CPU remains stop. If I want to start run, to put in run my PLC, start module, finish. Okay, now I'm ready to try to test my program. I use the monitoring on off, these small glasses. With the glasses I want to see now if I use my push button in my real PLC. Okay, this is very simple videos about the TIA portal and now start to programming. I hope you like it, and I say hello to you, and I hope you will visit again my channel. I have a lot, many Italian video in Italian language, but I want to try to in the future to produce more English videos. So I say you hello, goodbye to the next video, and have a good day. Bye.